The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Stark County in northeastern Ohio until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Canton, moving north-northeast at 16 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning are included but are not limited to Massillon, Perry, North Canton, Jackson, Alliance. The safest place to be in during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. If at mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat at a nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands.